Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for history for UPSC. First, thoroughly understand the UPSC history syllabus, paying close attention to the weightage of different periods. Next, prioritize your study by focusing on ancient, medieval, and modern Indian history, as these are crucial. Always concentrate on key events, important personalities, and their broader significance to grasp the narrative effectively. To study history effectively, create detailed timelines to visualize the chronological progression of events and understand cause and effect relationships. Utilize mind maps to connect related historical concepts, making complex information easier to recall. Crucially, practice writing answers to previous year's questions under timed conditions to improve your answer structure and speed for the actual exam. For your resources, begin with NCERT textbooks from classes 6 to 12, as they form a strong foundation. Supplement these with standard reference books to gain deeper insights and alternative perspectives on historical topics. Consistent revision is paramount. Regularly go over your notes and important historical facts to ensure long-term retention and quick recall during the examination. For advanced preparation, analyze historical trends and their long-term impact on society, rather than just memorizing facts. Engage in group discussions with fellow aspirants to broaden your perspectives and clarify doubts. This collaborative approach can uncover new insights. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals to help you stay organized and focused.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.